Conversation 1.
I like your family photos. Who is this?
That is my dad. He is a doctor.
Wow, he is very tall.
Yes, he is.
Who is this? Is this your mom?
Yes, that is my mom.
In this picture, they are so young.
Yes, they are. They are both 25 years old in that picture.
How old are they now?
They are both 60.
Wow, this is 35 years ago?
Yes, it is. Time flies. Conversation 2.
Who are these people?
That is my husband. In this picture, he is at work.
Is he a fireman?
Yes, he is. And this is my daughter.
Who is the boy with your daughter? Is that your son?
No, that is her friend. She is at school.
Wow, what a nice picture. How old is she?
She is 9.
She is very cute.
Yes, she is cute. Conversation 3.
Who are the people in this picture?
That is my older sister. She is a pilot.
Who is the man?
That is her husband. He is a pilot too.
I see. What about this picture? Who is this?
That is my younger brother. He is a football coach.
Who is the woman? Is that his wife?
No, that is his girlfriend. She is a teacher.
Where are they?
They are at work. That is their school. It is not far from here.
Wow, nice couple.
Conversation 4.
And who are these people?
Those are my grandparents.
Who are the children?
Those are my cousins. That is my aunt's son and my uncle's daughter.
Where are they?
That is their farm. They have sheep, cows, and chickens.
Wow, those are big cows.
Yes, the cows are very big.
What a nice place.
Yeah, it's fun there. I go there often with my daughter.